In the quiet corridors of history, certain individuals leave an indelible mark that transcends time. On December 26, 2024, India lost one such luminary, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, a visionary economist and statesman whose life's work transformed the trajectory of our nation. Let's take a look at the timeline of former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji's remarkable journey in both academic and public life. Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji's academic journey was distinguished. He completed his Masters in Economics from Punjab University in 1954, followed by Economics Tripos at Cambridge University in 1957, and later earned a DPhil in Economics from Oxford University in 1962. Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji's career in public service began in 1971, when he joined the Government of India as an economic advisor in the Ministry of Commerce. His expertise led to his appointment as Chief Economic Advisor in the Ministry of Finance in 1972. Throughout the 1980s, he held pivotal roles, including Governor of the Reserve Bank of India from 1982 to 1985 and Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission from 1985 to 1987. His international experience was further enriched as Secretary General of the South Commission in Geneva between 1987 and 1990. In March 1990, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji was appointed advisor to the Prime Minister on Economic Affairs, and in 1991, he became Chairman of the University Grants Commission. His political journey took a significant turn when he was elected to the Rajya Sabha from Assam in 1991. A seat he was re-elected to in 1995, 2001, 2007 and 2013. As Finance Minister from 1991 to 1996, under former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao Ji, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji was the architect of economic reforms that liberalized India's economy, steering the nation through a severe financial crisis and laying the foundation for its emergence as a global economic power. From 1998 to 2004, he served as a leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, demonstrating his unwavering commitment to democratic principles. In 2004, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji became the 14th Prime Minister of India, serving 2 consecutive terms until 2014. As we bid farewell to Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, we remember a life devoted to the service of the nation. A life that through unwavering commitment and visionary reforms transformed challenges into opportunities and set India on a path of sustained growth and development. His legacy will continue to inspire generations to come.